Hello, what's up guys, how are you? Hopefully you will be good. Today we will learn how to do telnet on the Linux server. Here we have Red Hat. Okay, so first you need you have a setup of operating system of Red Hat Linux. So I have installed it. So let us start how to configure or how to do telnet on this Red Hat Linux. So first you have an internet connection. Okay, without internet connection you can't do anything. So here we will put yum install telnet. Okay, this is the command through which you can install telnet in our operating system. Yum is an installer. It's a software that install software inside the Red Hat operating system. So I have tell in my previous video about how to install yum. Okay, how to configure yum in the Red Hat Linux. So now I have typed the yum install telnet star and -y and then press enter. As you can see on my screen, the latest version already installed and nothing to do. If you will do this same process, you will get some process down here, and it will take little time. Okay, and now I have installed it already. Next to this, what we will do, we have do some configuration setting for this. So we will type here, it's a default directory. Here it is etc zintd. Okay, zintd d/telnet. So etc zintd is the default path, and in zintd.d there is a telnet named file in which it's all information are saved. Okay, and vim is the editor which we are using here. Okay, so after hitting enter, now you will see a file that is named telnet on your system. Okay, now after that what you have to do, here you can see there is a disable option in the red color and yes in the purple color. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to change this yes into no. Okay, so by default it is disabled. We have to type no instead of yes, because by default it is disabled. So for that we have to type here no. Okay, so for that we have to go to its insert menu, and then after we have to type no. Okay, now it will be working on your system. Okay, so we have made it enable now. Okay, now what we have to do is save this file. Okay, now it is saved. Let me clear my screen. Okay, now after that what we will do, we have to add the user as well, because if you would not have any user in your machine, then who will log in? Okay, so first you must have users as well in your machine, in your operating system. So I'm creating user here, user add. For suppose I have created user 1. Okay, enter. The user 1 is already exist, and the user 2, that will be okay, it is already exist. I have created the same. Okay, and you have to set the password as well. Understand? So I have already given the user 1 and user 2 password. So next to this we have to start the services of the telnet. Okay, every services you will be implementing on the Red Hat Linux, you have to start its services. So here what we will type, here we will type service zintd restart or start, any one that you want. So here I have typed service zintd restart, and one more command that you can type, chkconfig. Okay, space zintd and on. Why we type this command? This command is used when your system shut down and comes back. You don't need to restart services. Okay, it will be permanently on. It will work the next time as well. Okay, so okay, now my window is a client server. So I open a command prompt and I will log in on my Windows right now. So let me check the IP of this. If config, what will be the IP of my machine? Here you can watch 192.168 and 175. It's my IP address of this machine. So I will log in from my Windows machine here. So it is my command prompt. I will type here, type telnet 192.168.43.17 file and nothing else. Just type, and here will be coming the login page. Here you can see the login page of Telnet server. So here I will type, as I created user1, I will type user1 and I have given the password user1 as well. So here you can see I have login on my Red Hat. Okay, if you create any directory here, you can make dir. My name is Deepak. I am writing here the directory name Deepak, just ls, and now you can write Deepak. Here it is. Just go to Deepak and enter, and just look at the directory is empty right now. Then just come out, exit here, and just type again and login through the user2. Here it is, and the password is the same user2. Okay, here it is. I am logging. You can watch on my screen user2. Okay, so next to this, what we will do here we again create a directory. Here it is, named deep only. Okay, just check it, deep, and I'll create a file as well, touch, and name deep .txt. okay, as you can see on my screen, here is the deep directory and the deep text. So both users are working on the system. So just come out, exit from this Windows machine, just close it, and now we will check. We will log in from the terminal. Okay, we will log in here the users, user1 and user2, and then we'll see how they worked on Windows and what they work. Okay, we will check. Here you can also watch who is logging on your screen. So just to perform this, we have to come back the cmd prompt. Okay, just again type telnet 192.168.43.175 and just come login user1, password user1. Okay, now just minimize this. Here what you will do, just check who okay, who hyphen a. Here, just here, look at the last one, user1 is logged on the system, and here it is its system ID. Here it is 252621, and it's the desktop 0TLSNO, its name. Okay, so here you can check the who is logged in on your system. So clear. And next to this, just I'm going to the terminal second. Just check which terminal it is. It is terminal first. I will go to terminal second. I am on the terminal second right now. First I will log in through user1, and the password is user1, and I am here login. Okay, and you can see on my screen Wednesday, April 1st, 15. This is the time that I got login. Just check ls as what I created in the Windows machine, and check this directory as well, Deepak. Okay, and now it is empty, nothing is here. I will come to the, and I will show you which terminal it is. TTY, here it is. You can see it is the terminal 2. Next I will come to the terminal 3rd, and I will log in through user2. The password is same, user2, and just let me check the here it is. Yes, here you can watch. Here it is deep directory and the deep text file. Okay, that's what I created on the Windows machine by user2. Okay, this is for all done for today. I will show you next video. Okay, thank you guys.